Nililinis ba yung mata? So, meron, nililinis po. And when was the last time you had your eyes clean? Wala. Mostly wala. Yun ang sagot. Sabihin nila, never do. Bakit natin ginagawa yun? Kasi sometimes, yun nga, di ba, normal naman na nagbiblink yung eye natin and there's tears and there's moisture there. Di ba, minsan during the day, may mga morning glory tayo. That's normal. But when was the last time you cleaned it? Never. So, parang kang nagpa-dental, you do it every 3 to 6 months. Yung clean ng mata. So, we wash out all the debris to make it fresh.
Okay.
When was the last time you clean your lashes? So when it's shampoo time, the bubbles you got from the shampoo, you put it on your hand, and then you rub it like this. Because it's same as your hair and this one. So, bubbles lang din yun. Tapos, and then you wash it. Pero para malinis talaga, halimbawa, ma-check mo na malinis talaga, pipicturean niyan before, picturean dito, tapos pipicturean after. Makikita mo, mawawala yung debris. So, yun. So, kailangan i-clean siya. Muli, ako po si Doc Karina Bukad ng Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab. Maraming salamat po!